guys, welcome to an all new vlog. I am Shairy and currently I am in Ramnagar. Most of you know that Ramnagar is very famous for the Jim Corbett National Park, but that's not why I'm here. I am here to pamper myself a little bit because well, ये weekend मेरा free था and I thought why not just go for a quick weekend trip. In Delhi के close जब हम सोचते हैं कि कहाँ जा सकते हैं, सबसे पहले तो हमारा ध्यान जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क की तरफ जाता है and then to on to Nainital, Bhimtal and other such places. But why I'm here is to relax and enjoy my time in peace. So I did some research and found this very beautiful property in Ramnagar. It's actually in Parao, Ramnagar. So the property is called Corbett Holiday Forest Resort and it's huge and it's very pretty. It's approximately 14-15 kilometer from Ramnagar station and Kathgodam से भी पहुंच सकते हैं, बस वहाँ से थोड़ा सा दूर है and it's very close to the jungle. So while I'm here I thought why not shoot a new vlog for my channel and also give you guys a glimpse into the whole property.
The cottages here are very cute. Let me show you inside. So this one here is one of the deluxe cottages, and as we move inside, the first thing that we notice is the furniture. There's this double bed with the regular side table. Moving on, we have the TV unit right there. That's the cupboard and the dressing area, and here is the washroom. Now moving on, this is one of the family rooms.
Enter करने पे you have one single bed right there. And why this is a family room, I'll tell you. Because there's another room. What I really like about these rooms is these huge windows. ये windows से सीधा यहाँ swimming pool का view आता है. So there's also the sitting area outside the room, which again gives a beautiful view of the pool.
स्विमिंग पूल हो, लॉन हो या जंगल हो, हर तरह के रूम से अलग अलग तरह के व्यूज है यहाँ पे.
So I'm feeling a little hungry now. तो चलते हैं कैंटीन की तरफ and let's see what they have.
Now there are a lot of indoor and outdoor games which can also be enjoyed here. There's chess, table tennis, carom, and a lot of adventure activities are there as well. So at times इस बड़े से लॉन में शादियाँ और पार्टीज भी ऑर्गेनाइज होती हैं. I'm enjoying exploring the facilities that they have here. Now this is one of the meeting rooms that they have for a smaller gathering, say of 40 or 45 people. And they're also prepping up a bigger hall for larger gatherings.
Good morning guys, it's our day 2 and the sun is finally out. कल दिन थोड़ा सा gloomy था, so we could not enjoy any outdoor activities. We were mostly inside, but आज आज प्लान है बाहर जाने का. Let's see where we head to. And look at this beautiful view. Honestly, जो व्यू मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ ना, वो कैमरे से आ ही नहीं सकता है. I haven't even showered yet. So, yes, I'm gonna go to my room and get some shower, and then maybe we'll head for breakfast first, and उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या प्लान बनता है. बहुत अच्छी धूप निकली हुई है. एंड one thing that I forgot to show you is my own room. This here is my room, starting with a single bed. There's a double bed, 2 bed tables, the regular furniture जो मैंने गंदा कर रखा है, the window. This portion I'll show you separately. This is the cupboard. ये TV unit है. And this here is the mirror. So this is an overview of the room, and let me show you the washroom. Actually, it has a bathtub. Coming back, the most exciting part of this room is this. Ta-da! We have a sort of backyard over here. This is all jungle back there. So I completely forgot about this parcel, this gift parcel that I've received from Babaji's Style House. These 2 very beautiful tops and a mask with them. And just the thing is कि अभी winters है तो I can't really wear these tops, but I'm really excited to in the summer. That was my room tour, guys. But this is not the end of the video. We have more to it. I'm actually gonna go and meet the owner of the resort, and he's gonna tell us some interesting facts about this resort, this place, maybe Ramnagar itself. But before that, I need to have breakfast. I'm very hungry. ये मनोज भैया है. इनको जब भी बुलाओ फेस पे स्माइल के साथ आते हैं. अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं ना, मनोज भैया अगर यहाँ पे है, आपको किसी चीज़ की दिक्कत नहीं होने वाली है. That's for sure. We are in talks with अनिल बत्रा जी, जो कॉर्बेट हॉलीडे फॉरेस्ट रिजॉर्ट के इस खूबसूरत रिजॉर्ट के ओनर हैं. बत्रा जी, आप क्या बताएंगे इस रिजॉर्ट के बारे में? क्या क्या इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स हैं आपके पास हमें बताने के लिए?
सबसे पहले तो ये है कि जंगल टच है हमारा. आप देख सकते हैं इस समय पूरा जंगल है और पोल्यूशन फ्री है ही ये पूरा एरिया, आप जानते हैं. और सारी फैसिलिटी हमारे पास हैं. पार्किंग की फैसिलिटी हमारे पास है, इंडोर गेम हमारे पास है, आउटडोर गेम है, स्विमिंग पूल आप देख ही रहे हैं. बिल्कुल. और गार्डन हमारे पास 2 एकड़ का गार्डन है. सफारी की सुविधा भी हम देते हैं, किसी ने सफारी करवानी हो तो वो भी हम करवाते हैं. कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम है यहाँ पे, हमारे यहाँ मीटिंग होती रहती हैं. बाहर से लोग आते हैं मीटिंग करने के लिए. 250 लोगों का बैठने का है उसमें. मैरिज का भी हम करते हैं यहाँ पे, हमारे यहाँ शादी होती रहती हैं. आजकल आप जानते हैं कि बाहर शादियों का यहाँ पे हो गया है, तो लोग आते हैं. दिल्ली से काफ़ी सारे लोग आ गए हैं, शादियाँ करते हैं. तो ये है सारा. रूम में सारी फैसिलिटी है. हाँ, और आपके तो पास अलग अलग तरह के रूम्स हैं? हाँ, हमारे पास डीलक्स रूम है, फैमिली रूम है, लग्जरी रूम है, हनीमून स्वीट्स हैं 2 हमारे पास. वो भी हम तैयार करके देते हैं डिमांड पे. Pollution नहीं है, शोर नहीं है बिल्कुल. Even though the safari might not be giving what people want right now, this whole resort is filled with people enjoying their time with their families, with their friends, with their groups. Let's just talk to a few of them and get to know how they're actually spending their time here. Hi, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Where are you from?
Delhi.
And your name is?
Vansh Yadav. Mine is Myra.
Myra. This little one here is?
Kyra.
सोनाली.
दुष्यंत.
आप लोग कब आए यहाँ पे?
हम यहाँ पे परसों आए थे नाइट में.
तो क्या क्या किया आप लोगों ने?
बताओ क्या क्या किया तुमने?
And play TT.
You play TT?
Yeah.
Okay.
And badminton.
Badminton also, ठीक है.
And football.
You enjoying?
Yeah, of course,
Yes.
very well.
I think we finally reached the end of the video. My stay here was really good, really good. And I would recommend all of you guys to check this resort out if you're ever visiting Ramnagar. As the day has cleared, we can finally see the mountains, जो कि बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So yes, this is the end of the video, and we are now heading to another place, जो कि obviously एक दूसरे vlog में आएगा. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying the winter season.